summer is on its way, and I've got the Margot Elena Summer 2025 box. So if you want to see what's in this luxury item box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. David's hanging out with me and Chloe's studying for finals, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Margot Elena Summer Luxury Box. So you're going to get products from the Margot Elena family of products, I guess. That includes Tokyo Milk, Library of Flowers, Cottage Greenhouse, Infinite She, Archive, Lilia. I don't know, I'm probably missing something. Open it up. You've got your little card. You've got your tissue wrap and your sneak peek. And a lot of stuff is wrapped. Now, one of the things about this box is you will get some exclusive things that they either haven't sold in their store or they're not planning to sell in their store. So it is nice that you are going to get some things that maybe if you didn't get this box you wouldn't have an opportunity to get. The other thing is with what you're paying for this box, like, it just pays for itself. So the theme is Golden Afternoon, and this is from their Lilia line, and it is their Lovely Essentials cosmetic bag. It has a retail value of $30. Has this little drawer here, beautiful flowers in there. All right, so there's how it looks. And then there is a pocket inside and a little kind of don't forget things not to forget to put in your bag, I guess. Next, by Infinite She, is their Empowered, and what is it? I'm not sure. It is Orange Blossom and Cardamom, Clarity and Focus. Oh, Ultra Lush Hand Cream, okay. And their packaging is always so adorable. Look at that. And this is in a metal tube. It does have a little pokey thing here, which I've complained about forever, that they give you these metal tubes. You go to open it up and you've got to like grab a pen and kind of jam it in there and maybe break a pen. But this does have a little pokey thing like medicines do to open it up. So yay, good job, Margot Elena. Sorry, my hair's gonna fly all over the place. It's hot out and I got a fan on. Let's see, now that is a $22 value. Next, down here we have a set of 3 cards. Sometimes they include some cards in here, and these are generally valued at $16 from the Tokyo Milk line. Let me take a gander here. $16.50. So this one says thank you. This one also says thank you, and it's like so pretty because there's that glitter in there. And then this one says it's your party, and it goes to the other side. Next, by Lilia, we have their This Moment Shea Butter Hand Cream, so it's a mini one. This is a lovely scent. It's very light. Water Lily and Sun Blossoms. And this is a $9.50 value, and it's just a cute little hand cream. Just pop in your bag. And this is Tokyo Milk, I'm pretty sure, by the wrapping. I can usually tell by the wrapping what it is. It also has a number. Is it Tokyo Milk there? Let's say the top there. This is a lip balm. It's a $12 value. All right, there's how it looks. Very fancy. It's in honeyed apricot. Ooh, it smells delicious. I'm doing all the things that aren't kind of covered up, and then we'll get into those. All right, and then by Cottage Greenhouse, we have a kaolin clay mask to soothe, hydrate, and soften. So you're going to be mixing this with some water. Oh goodness, it's so cute. So there it is. You're going to mix 3 tablespoons of the clay mask with warm water. It doesn't say how much, but I would think just enough to get it to like that kind of clay-like base. So, you know, a little bit at a time you're going to add in, and then you're going to want to sit on your face for 5 minutes. And that is a $12 value. Okay, this is probably the perfume. I've always gotten a perfume in here. And this is a Tokyo Milk Wild Whims. Look at how gorgeous that is. It has sweet grass, clary sage, verdant florals, and citron. Ooh. Oh, that's really nice. Yes. Oh, it smells so like, it smells like summer, like fresh air, fresh cut grass. Yes. That is a $50 value. By Lilia, we have a luminary, so a little candle in the scent Breathe, which is peony and white lily. Love peony. So it's just a little white candle. Oh my God, that smells like fresh peonies. I have them growing at my house out front, and this is exactly 100% what I smell when they're in bloom, which is right now. And that is a $16 value. That is an exclusive. So it's exclusive to this box. Oh, this is my favorite scent in Cottage Greenhouse. This is their grapefruit and blood orange. Is this the body oil or is this soap? It looks like it's maybe a soap. Moisture-rich shower oil and body wash, yes. So this, you use it in the shower, and oh God, it smells so good afterwards. I can't tell you. I can't even, if you like citrus, this is like, this would be a new favorite. This is exclusive to this box and retails for $22. Then there is one last item in here, and this is by Cottage Greenhouse. It's their pomegranate facial serum with orange and lavender. Oh, I mean, just look at the packaging. There is how that looks. It says it's exceptionally deep penetrating and improves the appearance of skin in need of some extra love, hydrates, restores, and softens. No parabens, made with natural ingredients, never animal tested. And these are made in the US in Denver, Colorado. And this is a limited edition item, so you can get it on their store. They don't have a lot. The lip balm is also a limited edition item. So it's very lightly scented, not a strong scent. I think most folks could get away with this unless you're super sensitive. And it just like has this light little citrus, but not strong, like not like the body wash. That's strong. Love it. This is just nice and light. And I'm gonna give you a little hint. So let's say you get something like this and you're like, I don't really like fragrance on my face, right? Elbows, heels. It's a great place, particularly in the summertime, to serum up and then put your moisturizer on, because it really helps the moisturizer kind of deeply penetrate. So serums are great. They're a little bit different than your body oils because these are going to have some great skincare ingredients in them, and they're going to do a world of good for your parts that get a little bit more dry. Okay, so that's the box. My favorite is going to be, is it the perfume or is it this? It might be this actually. I love the perfume, but this is my favorite scent. Whenever I get it in anything, I use it 100% up like within the month. So definitely a big shout out to that scent. But the perfume is great. I mean, everything in here was great. There's no loser in here. And the total value of the box is $222, which is a fraction of what you're going to pay. So if you like scents, if this is your kind of thing, this is a great box for you. I think you would enjoy getting this, and it's only quarterly, so you're not going to be overloaded with stuff. You're going to get it once per quarter. I now have a collection of the Margot Elena lines of perfumes and love them all. It was actually the perfume that got me back into perfume after not wearing it for years because of sensitivities and it making me sneeze. But when I started these, I was like, these are great. I love these. And started trying out other perfumes, so it's made me a little bit of a perfume hoarder. That's where we've gotten to. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.